Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with the Ford Crown Victoria. About to go ahead. I need to check the oil on the car first. I'm going to go ahead and get it cleaned up. So let's go ahead and get the hood pop. Let's see. It is time to go ahead and change the oil, but I need to check it first. Alrighty. Come on right over here. See that or not? So the oil doesn't look dirty, so that's good. Like I said, it is time to change it. You want to make sure it's at a good level. Hope y'all can see that. There we go. So yeah, we still at a good level. And the color of the oil is still good as well. Engine bay. All right, let's go ahead and start the car up. I'm gonna tell y'all something on the new Ford vehicles. I love the sound. It has like a way softer sound, you know, versus this one. You hear all that beeping noise. The new sound is a lot better. Yeah, because that beeping, it just gets annoying. Other than that, man, we're in the Ford Crown Victoria. Where we at? There it go, right there, Ford Crown Victoria. Hey, let me know, have you guys changed out your radios? If you watch any of my previous videos, I tell you why this radio is still the same. I prefer it to stay that way. So what I did was I went and got a Bluetooth. This plugs in and it connects to the radio. So that way I get to leave this one in here. You know, nice, clean, factory look. Don't get me wrong, if you put the screen in here, you know, if it fits in there nice and neat, you don't have any issues. You know, it looks nice, but it's nothing like that factory look. Like, you know, boom, there it goes. But I could always, you know, put the screen in here and then always put this back if I ever decide to sell the vehicle or whatnot. But for now, I'll ride just like that. And as long as I have the Bluetooth, which I have it plugged up right here, and you can, this one's, you know, you can move it around or whatnot, works fine. And then I also have where I can plug, you know, the charger in here, and then you also have one inside of here, because the Crown Vic doesn't have any of these updated sockets like this, so you only have the 12 volt. And so this is like, this acts as the Bluetooth and the adapter. That's pretty neat. I'll leave a link in the description below for that product if you're interested in knowing exactly which one that is. Let's go ahead and get this thing poured into the bay so we can wash it. Yep. Now, when I got the vehicle, as you see right here in the center of the steering wheel, the Ford is not, well, it's faded right here. So, yeah, it was like that when I got it. I had someone ask me the other day about they said, how do you pop the trunk on your Crown Victoria? They said they had one and they couldn't find where to pop the trunk. So on this particular Ford Crown Victoria, this one is located on the door, at the bottom of the driver door. It has the actual trunk button, and this one also has where you have to hit the button to get to the fuel cap, which is pretty neat. I like that. So that way you don't have to worry about buying a locking cap. So you see, she's flush. Now this is my first Crown Victoria where I had that. We had to press the button to get to the fuel cap. But I told them it's gonna be on the door. They said they're gonna take a look. Otherwise, it's on the dashboard, in the center of the dashboard, underneath the radio. And then, let me see, I think I have seen a few where it's under the ashtray as well. So it's somewhere in those locations. Now, typically, if it's in the center of the dashboard or under the ashtray, That's going to be a Interceptor model, but on civilian, it's typically right here on the door. You guys can always go to my go-to products, the Super Clean, the all-wheel cleaner, and the Super Clean dissolved grease. I use that around the bottom, remove any hard to remove grease. I also did an engine cleaner with this, so if you didn't see that video, check it out. Here's some planes flying around. All right, doing a quick rinse. Not really gonna go heavy on cleaning the car today, just a quick once over, nothing major. Bump the wheels real quick. I already sprayed them. All right, so I got the vehicle cleaned up. I checked the oil. I'm actually gonna go ahead and change the oil. Maybe about another 200 miles, I'm gonna change the oil, so you can stay tuned for that. Usually go back with the Motorcraft and then whatever oil they have on sale, as long as it's not a cheap brand oil. What else? So yeah, car cleaned up, man. I gotta actually finish, probably go over the vacuum one more time and just do a quick wipe down of the inside. And other than that, thank you guys for tuning in, watching the channel. Check out the description below for the Bluetooth to the radio. Also, if you like these shades, I might have a link down below for those as well, because these are actually inexpensive, so pretty nice. You know, when we outside working on the cars, or you're gonna be doing something in the sunlight, you know, I have some shades on. So but yeah, other than that, thank you guys for tuning in, watching the channel, and I will catch you on the next one.